Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to download all photos from the Facebook profile using Android mobile. Android user can also download all their Facebook posts in one compressed file. If you have an Android phone or tablet, here's what you need to do. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and tap the homepage icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then select Setting at the top. Scroll down and go to your information section. Next, select Download your information. Make sure to deselect all checked categories. Now select Post and proceed to choose the date range, file format and media quality. Tap on the Create File and wait the Facebook to gather all the media. When done, switch to the Available Copies tab and download your compressed file.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.